Hi traders, Anthony here. Wanted to do this quick video to show you something. Been busy tonight. I've done a series of screenshots and a video on a trading strategy that was posted into VIP. So let me just show you what's going on in here. The trade ideas. So this was posted tonight. We've had a very high win rate with these trades, and I'm posting trades I'm taking on my MT5 account here. The VIP gets the cream of the crop. Now we're getting fairly specific with our strategy, and tonight I did a series of screenshots and a video. These snapshots follow this trade from entry, okay, through. We followed this trade all the way through, and progressive snapshots with this one. And I'm doing a video on this. So this is a specific trade setup. Okay, so my VIP members have this. This is a tutorial. It's also a trade that we took together. And then there's going to be a video posted in here, an in-depth tutorial on this strategy. There's benefits of being a VIP member, guys. It's next level trading. If you're serious about building an account, this is definitely more than worthwhile. It's exceptional value. So click up here to join. This link will take you to my website. And as I keep saying in my videos, I'm happy to share my success with you. If you buy me a coffee and a cake every month, or it could be a hamburger. So with that, guys, I look forward to seeing you in Discord, and take that next step. Let's meet up in VIP. Have a great day.